Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recently posted 2 pictures on Instagram and wearing my DIY chokers, and you guys just went crazy to know how I did this. So today I am sitting down and filming this video for you guys so you can make these chokers for yourself and look beautiful. So stay tuned. I'm taking 3 yarns, 2 crochet needles, 1 thread, a charm and a carpet needle, and also some pom-poms which are optional. I'm just taking these 3 yarns and just knotting through a loop. Of course everyone knows how to knot a loop, duh. Then I'm taking this number 6 crochet needle and just putting it through the knot and tightening the knot so that the needle doesn't slip out, duh. Then I'm gonna chain. For doing the chain, you just loop through and pull out. That's it. Loop and pull out. Loop and pull out. That's gonna be the chain. This is gonna be the foundation chain and it will determine the length of your choker. So I'm gonna do this till the end and till I get my desired length for the choker. This is pretty much it for the length, and I've already made this choker, so I'm gonna do the exact length. So yeah, I already achieved that length. After that you chain 2 more, 1 and 2, and then we are gonna do double crochet. For that you just loop through and go into the second stitch from the base, not the first, the second one. Go into it and pull out a loop again through it. You have 3 stitches on the needle, then loop and pull through the first 2 stitches. You have 2 stitches on the needle, then again loop and pull through the remaining 2 stitches, and you will have just 1 stitch on the needle now. Loop, go inside the second stitch, pull through. You have 3 stitches on the needle, loop again. You have to look, first focus, and then loop, pull through the first 2 stitches, again loop and pull through the remaining 2 stitches. That's it for double crochet. I'm gonna do this whole thing, and when you come to the end, in the end just go inside the stitch, pull through and pull through the last stitch too, and just pull it and cut off the excess thread, and we are gonna knot it now. So the knot is done. Just tighten the knot a bit, and then we are gonna again knot it up with another thread, and I'm just finishing it up, and this is the final thing. The next step is optional, but I like to add the color, another color to it, and also a border, so I'm taking this thread, and I'm also gonna take another crochet needle. Of course I'm first knotting it up. I'm again gonna take the number 6 crochet needle and put it through the first side stitch of the choker. You can see it right here, there is a stitch. I'm just going inside it, then taking the another thread, looping it and pulling it out the stitch, and just tightening the knot so that it doesn't slip off from the needle. Yeah, and then to attach it, I'm just gonna loop and pull through the first stitch. That's it. And then we are gonna do single crochet all over. So for that, you're gonna go inside the stitch, loop, pull out, again loop and pull out. This is single crochet for you guys. If you want me to do a video on how to do different crochet stitches, comment down below and I will definitely do it for you guys, because crochet is something I enjoy and it is a hobby of mine. So comment down below if you want to see that. And this is all I'm gonna do till the end, or till the beginning of the choker again. At the end you will see there is a gap, so fill it in with 3 or 4 single crochets, and when you reach to the very end, then I'm gonna change over to another smaller crochet needle. This is number 2 probably. Loop through the first stitch that you ever made and then pull through it so that there is a knot. Cut it out and make the knot. So I'm gonna place the charm right now, and because there is this rounded shape to the choker, this will fit perfectly to the shape of your neck because your neck is not straight. So now I'm gonna take this carpet needle and the brown thread again to attach the charm to the choker. Now I'm gonna place the choker where it should be, and then I'm just gonna flip it holding the charm so that it doesn't move from the place, and then I'm just gonna attach the charm to the choker and make it all fancy and nice and wearable and trendy and all the fun stuff. So I'm just gonna repeat this to the other hole of the charm, but if your charm is single hole, you are lucky, you have to do it only once. So once that is done, here is the final product. Now you have to do the strings of the choker. So for that, I'm again gonna take those 3 yarns and just attaching it to the main choker, and then I'm gonna chain. Just do a simple chain. You can make the strings as long as you want or as short as you want. After I'm done with the string, I'm just gonna attach a pom-pom to it, and if you want to see how I make the pom-poms, comment down below and I will do it. So this is the final product. I love this choker. I was never into chokers much, but after I made this, I am obsessed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do like and subscribe to my channel. I would love it. And if you are not doing it already, go and check out my Instagram page. Duh. I hope you guys are having a great day till now, and I hope you'll come back to this channel later on. Till the next time, bye.